Hello friends, today we are going to discuss another problem on the electromagnetic induction. So the problem says that a loop of wire enclosing an area S is placed in a region where the magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane. The magnetic field B varies with time according to the expression B is equals to B naught e to the power minus AT, where A is some constant, that is A is equals to T is equals to 0. The field is B naught and for t is greater than 0 the field decreases exponentially. Find the induced EMF in the loop as a function of time. So we know that induced EMF is equals to minus of d phi upon dt, where we know that phi is equals to B A cos theta. So now we have B, which is this, and A is S. We are given area as S and the theta, the angle between them is, since the area vector is also pointing inward and the magnetic field is also pointing inward, so we have theta, the angle between them, as 0 degrees. So we can directly put here that BS cos of 0 degrees. Cos 0 is 1, so we have BS. DS is equals to BS. D phi is equals phi is equals to BS. Now induced EMF, which is d of Bs upon dt. So now we have B is varying with time, and since S is a constant, so we take it out of the differentiation and we have minus of S into dB, which is B naught e to the power minus AT upon dt. So now we have minus S into B naught is a constant, so we take it out of the differentiation, and we have differentiation of e to the power minus AT upon dt. So we are left with minus B naught S, and the differentiation of e to the power minus AT is e to the power minus AT into minus A by using the chain rule. So we have negative sign get cancelled over here, so we have A B naught S e to the power minus AT. So the induced EMF, which is minus d phi by dt, and it is only asked in the question, so induced EMF is equals to A B naught S e to the power minus AT. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.